Avocados. That soft, buttery green fruit that's become a symbol of heart health, vitality, and eating smart. Many of us over 60 have embraced it as a daily staple, mashed on whole grain toast, sliced into a salad, or blended into a smoothie, because it's rich in those good fats doctors love to recommend. But here's the surprising truth. Even the healthiest food can work against you if you're making the wrong choices with it. I've seen it in my own clinic. Patients adding avocado for its heart benefits, only to find their cholesterol climbing, digestion rebelling, or their weight slowly creeping up. It's not that avocado is bad for you. It's the way you eat it that can tip the balance from heart helper to heart hazard. Today, we're going to uncover 5 common avocado mistakes that silently undermine your health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to enjoy avocado so it protects your heart, not harms it. If you've ever wondered whether you're truly getting the most from your healthy foods, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. But first, join our community by subscribing and share your biggest heart health question in the comments. Mistake number 1. Eating a whole large avocado in one sitting. Avocados are packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, but they're also surprisingly high in calories. One large avocado can have over 300 calories and nearly 30 grams of fat. While this is good fat, your body still processes excess calories the same way. It stores them. Over time, this can lead to gradual weight gain, which increases the strain on your heart, joints, and blood vessels. For seniors, carrying even an extra 5 to 10 pounds can mean higher blood pressure, more difficulty moving, and greater risk of diabetes. The challenge is that avocado is so creamy and satisfying, it's easy to overdo without realizing it. You might slice it on toast, add some to your salad, and before you know it, the whole fruit is gone. Imagine sitting down for lunch, enjoying that smooth, rich texture, and feeling full, but not realizing you've just eaten the calorie equivalent of a small meal before the main course. What to do instead? Enjoy avocado in portions. About 1/3 to 1/2 of a medium fruit per meal is plenty to get the heart benefits without tipping into excess. Combine it with vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains so you feel full without overloading on fat and calories. Mistake number 2. Pairing avocado with unhealthy foods. Avocado's healthy fats can do wonders for your cholesterol, but those benefits can disappear fast if you're eating it with the wrong partners. One of the most common offenders? Fried tortilla chips. The saturated and trans fats from fried chips create inflammation in your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow freely. Pairing that with avocado doesn't cancel out the bad fats, it just mixes them together. Other common traps include piling avocado on heavily buttered bread, processed deli meats, or mayonnaise-based salads. These combinations can lead to higher LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, putting more strain on your heart. For seniors, whose arteries may already be less flexible due to age-related changes, these choices can speed up plaque buildup. Picture this. You're at a family gathering, dipping chip after chip into guacamole. It's delicious, social, and feels healthy because of the avocado, but inside your body, the fried oils are undoing the very reason you chose avocado in the first place. What to do instead? Use avocado as a replacement for less healthy fats, not in addition to them. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast instead of butter, or add it to a fresh vegetable salad instead of a creamy dressing. By pairing avocado with nutrient-rich foods, you allow its heart protective benefits to shine. Mistake number 3. Eating avocados before they're fully ripe. A perfectly ripe avocado is creamy, smooth, and easy to digest. But eat it too early, when it's still hard, and you might be setting yourself up for uncomfortable digestive issues. Unripe avocados contain higher levels of certain compounds, like persin, and their fiber is tougher, which can cause bloating, gas, or even stomach cramps in sensitive individuals. For seniors, who may already have slower digestion or more delicate stomachs, this extra strain can lead to days of discomfort. And because unripe avocados are less flavorful, people often add extra salt or dressings to help them taste better, unknowingly increasing sodium intake, which can elevate blood pressure. Imagine slicing into what you thought would be a buttery, soft avocado, only to hear the knife scrape against firm, pale flesh. You try to mash it for your toast, but it's stubbornly lumpy. That's not just disappointing. It's a missed opportunity for your body to absorb all those healthy fats and nutrients in their most bioavailable form. What to do instead? Check for ripeness by gently pressing near the stem. It should yield slightly without feeling mushy. If it's hard, let it sit at room temperature for a couple of days, placing it in a paper bag with a banana to speed up the process. A ripe avocado not only tastes better, but also delivers its heart protective nutrients in a form your body can easily use. Mistake number 4. Throwing away the most nutrient-dense part near the skin. Most people scoop out their avocado without thinking twice. But here's something you may not know. The darker green flesh closest to the skin is the most nutrient-dense part of the fruit. That thin layer holds higher concentrations of carotenoids, antioxidants that protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidative damage to your blood vessels. Unfortunately, when we cut the avocado in half and scoop it quickly with a spoon, we often leave that layer behind. Over time, missing out on those extra antioxidants means you're not getting the full protective benefit you could from your avocado habit. Picture this. You've carefully chosen a ripe, perfect avocado. You slice, scoop, and toss the peel in the trash. What you didn't see is that you just threw away some of the very nutrients that make avocado a heart health superstar, like tossing out the gold hidden right under the surface. What to do instead? Peel your avocado gently, as if you were peeling a banana, so the nutrient-rich layer stays intact. Another trick is to cut the avocado into quarters and peel each section by hand. This method helps you keep every bit of that dark green flesh, maximizing the antioxidants that help keep your arteries flexible and your heart strong. Mistake number 5. Relying on avocado as your only source of healthy fat. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fat, but your heart and your overall health needs a variety of healthy fats to function at its best. Omega-3 fatty acids from sources like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support brain health. If you're eating avocado every day, but rarely including other sources, you might miss out on these additional protective benefits. For seniors, balancing different healthy fats is especially important. As we age, our cells become less efficient at repairing themselves, and inflammation can build up silently over time. A diverse intake of fats provides a broader spectrum of nutrients to keep your arteries supple, your memory sharp, and your energy stable. Imagine thinking, I eat avocado every day, my heart must be in great shape, while unknowingly skipping the omega-3s your body relies on for anti-inflammatory support. It's like building a sturdy house, but forgetting to put a roof on. It's not complete protection. What to do instead? Think of avocado as one player on your healthy fats team, not the whole team. Include fish twice a week, sprinkle nuts and seeds on your salads, and use olive oil for cooking. This variety ensures you get the full range of heart-supportive nutrients while still enjoying avocado as part of a balanced diet. Avocados can be one of the best foods for your heart, creamy, versatile, and packed with nutrients your body craves. But as we've seen, even the healthiest food can lose its benefits if it's eaten the wrong way. Eating too much at once, pairing it with unhealthy fats, choosing it before it's ripe, discarding its most nutrient-rich parts, or relying on it exclusively for healthy fats can all chip away at the protection avocados can offer. The good news is that every one of these mistakes is easy to fix by making small, thoughtful changes like portion control, smarter pairings, ripeness checks, careful peeling, and dietary variety. You can keep avocados working for you, not against you. Your heart deserves the best, and that means getting the most out of the foods you love. With a little awareness, you can turn each avocado into a powerhouse of nourishment, helping you stay vibrant, independent, and ready to enjoy every stage of life. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. It helps more people discover simple, heart-healthy habits they can trust. Share it with a friend who loves avocados so they can enjoy them the right way, too. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed, senior-friendly health guidance every week. Here's to eating smart, living well, and protecting your heart, one delicious bite at a time. See you in the next video.